I'm going to be showing you how you can set a live countdown timer on your Shopify store. So this is very easy, but firstly I want to tell you that if you don't have your Shopify store yet, I will be leaving a link in the description below which will get you a very good offer. You basically get Shopify for free for 3 days, and after that you will only need to pay €1 or $1 every month for 3 months. And after that you can just cancel and renew the plan again, so you just need to pay $1 per month to get your Shopify store. Once you have your Shopify store, you will be on your dashboard just like this, and to install the countdown you need to go to apps, then right here just search for countdown and search countdown in Shopify App Store. Now you will see a lot of different apps. As you can see, there are too many apps. But the one I'm going to show you today is this one, but basically any other one will do the same function. So if you click right there, you should see some information about how it will look like. You can also see if they have like a free plan or the features they have on their upgraded plans. So just choose the one that fits well for you and click install. Now you will need to click the install button again to give this app permissions to your store. Don't worry because they can't steal anything. And now you are ready to go. You will see the app right here and you will see the create a new timer button. So if you click there, you can choose between different timer types. So for example, you can set a timer on a specific product. You can set it at the top or the bottom of your website. So let's add this one, for example, the top bar. The landing page looks very good as well, but I'm gonna go with this one. And this is the preview of how the timer will look like. So you can change the countdown name. This is only visible to you. This is for your reference. So for example, my first timer. The title, this is what will appear right here. So for example, sale starts in, then you can set a subheading. For example, don't miss on this. This will appear right below the title. Then the call to action, this right here, you can choose if you want a button, if you want to make everything right here clickable, or if you want no call to action. I'm gonna put a button in my case. So now we could change it, for example, for sign up, and then the link. So if you click this button, it will send you to this link. It can be any page on your website or even other websites. So for example, if you want them to sign up on a form or something, you can put the form link right here, and then the timer. So you can set how many hours you want, the minutes, the days, and the seconds. You can add translations if you want, but this is with a paid plan. Now you can choose between different timer types. So for example, a timer that will end at a specific date, you can set fixed minutes. So for example, this one countdown of 2 hours, or a daily recurring timer if you have a paid plan. In my case, I'm gonna leave it at the specific date, which I think it's the most useful type. And when you want this timer to start, you can schedule it to start later, and the end date for the count timer. So for example, let's say I want it in a week, like this, and that's it. This is how the timer will look like. Now once the countdown is over, you can do nothing or unpublish timer. This is recommended, or you can show custom title as well. So for example, sale is live now. You could do something like this. Then continue to design. This is if you want to personalize this timer. So the position of this timer, in my case, I have chosen this type of timer, so I can only choose between top or bottom page. But depending on the type you have chosen, for example, if you have chosen a product timer, then this will look kinda different. You can also enable or disable if you want this to stick at the top of the screen while you are scrolling or not. You can choose a template if you want to. As you can see, there are a lot of different templates you can choose. and those look really good, to be honest. Or you can choose a custom one if you want to change everything by hand. So you can manually change the font, the colors, the size, basically everything. As you can see, basically everything right here is customizable. So yeah, I'm gonna go with a template, for example this one. Now continue to placement. This is where you want this timer to be. So I can show it on every page, only on the home page. In my case, I'm gonna just leave it on every single page. And that's basically it. You can target a specific location or just publish it. And now you might have this error. All you need to do is activate the app by clicking activate button and then save. So click activate and you are ready to go. And now just click on save right here to save the changes. And this should work fine. So now if we go to our store and preview the online store, we should see that the timer is right here. And if we scroll down, it disappears because of the setting. And yeah, that's it. If we click, it redirects you to the URL that you have chosen. And you can, of course, always go to the app and go to the timer and change whatever you want. You can even delete it. Let's change the link. For example, I want to go to youtube.com, save. And now if we refresh our website and click right here, if we click the button now, it sends you to YouTube. So that's of course very useful to convert into sales. And in my case, I don't want it anymore, so I can just delete it and delete. And that's it. That's how you can set a countdown timer on your Shopify store. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.